Boeing hit a new 52-week high today following a better-than-expected quarterly earnings result. Our own Jim Lebenthal owns it. He joins us now on the phone. Jim, yesterday I suspected you were a little nervous ahead of this report, but today I guess you're probably pretty happy. What are your thoughts?
Hi, Courtney. I am pretty happy, and I was going to make that same reference to us joking during commercial breaks yesterday that this is usually when Boeing gives some ridiculous, huge charge, some write-off, but they didn't. They didn't. Hallelujah. Instead, they gave us an enormous free cash flow beat. That's what the most important thing for this stock is, cash flow generation that they can use to pay down debt. And they are delivering on that. They are delivering planes. They're increasing their production of 737 MAXs and 787s. Productions equals deliveries equals free cash flow equals better profits and pay down of debt. So this is a multi-year turnaround story that is very well on track. Nothing to complain about here.
It's obviously having a nice move here today. I'm not sure if today is the time to add to a position. Of course, you want to buy when it's a little bit on sale, perhaps. But what do you make about the size of your position in light of these results? Are you adding to it? Are you happy where you are?
Well, you know, I'm doing this by phone, so I can't see if my frenemy Steve Weiss is on there, but he likes to tease me. And hang on, Steve.
I'm happy to see you do well. Maybe you'll stick your hand in your pocket and at least pick up your share of the check next time we go out. So congratulations.
Steve likes to tease me, and this is true, okay? My first purchase of shares 4 years ago above $300. But as Steve also knows, last year I was buying hand over fist at many times, including when he was shorting, annoying the hell out of me. And that's why 3/4 of my shares are about, $175 a share. So even though there's a profit, and Courtney, you referenced this, I still think you can buy the shares here. You're about halfway through a multi-year turnaround story here. There are more gains ahead.
Okay, all right, I see. Stick with us for a second. I want to stick with Boeing. Surratt, you've been looking at Boeing, I understand, but what do you think about dipping in now?
Yeah, look, I think Jim's got it right, and I think they've actually now they're doing the things they said they were going to do, and we were just looking for the cash flow to come out. So it's definitely interesting for us. We own Delta. We like the space, so we're looking at a couple other things in there, and I think it's a good time to. The valuation's still cheap, and Jim got it right buying it in the 100s. But I still think, depending on the work we finish, it could be a good place to at least start putting a position in.
All right, well, Jim, before we let you go, let's talk about Union Pacific. We got some news on that, of course. Shares soaring after announcing a new CEO. What are your thoughts?
So I'll take the 10% gain, but, look, let's call this what it is. It was a terrible quarter. All right, this is a company that has had a lot of quarters of operational issues. The long-term thesis here is that as America does supply chain onshoring and infrastructure spending, that it's going to require materials to be delivered by Union Pacific. I'm not sure that one guy can turn around the operational results here, but I'll take the 10% gain and consider what to do over the next few days with the position.
Fair enough. Not the only executive change that we've heard today, but shares are higher by about 10% on the news. Jim, thanks so much.